In this video, we're going to evaluate algebraic fractions. We're pretty much doing the same thing. They're just fractions. We're going to evaluate or solve. Yeah, there's my S. Okay. They're called algebraic. These are also expressions because they have no equal sign. So we're going to substitute. They're going to tell us what to substitute in for which variable. In this first problem, m plus 6m divided by 4n minus 8. And remember, fractions also means division. Okay, it's just another way to write a division problem. We have 4 plus 6 times my m is 9 divided by 2 times my n is 5 minus 8. I'm going to use order of operations to solve, or PEMDAS. Now, the first thing I'm going to solve, I'm going to look for parentheses, and I don't have any parentheses. I'm going to look for exponents. I don't have any exponents, so now I'm going to do all multiplication and division left to right, and I'm going to do it on the top, and then I'm going to do it on the bottom. I'm going to rewrite my 4 plus 6 times 9 is 54 divided by 2 times 5 is 10 minus 8. Now I'm going to solve my 4 plus 54, and then I'm going to solve 10 minus 8. 4 plus 54 is 58, and 10 minus 8 is 2. And I'm still not done. I have to simplify it. And I'm going to do that by dividing. 58 divided by 2 is 29. Oh, that's a weird looking 9. Doesn't look any better. Okay, the next one. I have, for the next 3 problems, my P is going to equal 5, and my Q is going to equal 12. So let's go ahead and substitute. I have 3 times 5, because notice there's no sign here, so they're just pushed together. That represents multiplication, minus 6 divided by 8 minus, and once again the P is 5. Now I'm going to solve. Looking for all parentheses. Exponents, no. So I'm going to go on to multiplication and division. I take a look at multiplication on the top in the numerator, and there's no multiplication or division in the denominator. So let's go ahead and solve. 3 times 5 is 15, rewriting my problem, and 8 minus 5. Now I can go ahead and solve what's on top, addition and subtraction, and then all addition and subtraction. 15 minus 6 is 9. 8 minus 5 is 3. And then I'm not done. I have to divide. 9 minus 3 is 3. Let's go on to the next one. In this case, I have Q and P. Remember, my P is 5, my Q is 12. I'm going to substitute in my 12, divided by my Q is 12, plus 2 times my 5 is P, plus 1. Looking for all parentheses. I have parentheses here, so that's why I need to solve first. Rewriting everything I don't solve. 4 times 12 divided by 12 plus 2. Now this is in between the parentheses is multiplication. And 5 plus 1 is 6. Now that I've done that, I need to solve all exponents. Nope, no exponents. So I need to solve all multiplication division on the top, and then all multiplication division on the bottom, moving left to right. 4 times 12 is 48, rewriting what I don't solve, and 6 times 2, sorry about that, is 12. Now I need to solve my addition on the bottom. I did not solve the 48 yet. 48 divided by 12 plus 12 is 24. And if I were to divide it, 48 divided by 24, I'd get 2. The next one. Q squared divided by 4p minus 2. My Q is 12, so I'm going to substitute the 12. Don't forget about the exponent. Divided by, having trouble writing straight lines here. 4 times, my p is 5, minus 2. I'm going to look for parentheses. No parentheses. I'm going to look for exponents. So I'm going to solve my exponents. 12 squared means 12 times 12, or 144, divided by 4 times 5 minus 2. Now I look for all multiplication division. I'm done solving in the numerator, so I go down to the denominator. And I'm going to rewrite my problem, solving only what is highlighted. 4 times 5 is 20. Don't forget about the minus 2. And then I have to solve my subtraction. 144 and divided by 20 minus 2 is 18. And 144 divided by 18 is 8. If you can't divide it equally, you will have a mixed number. Okay? Be aware of that. A lot of times you just have to simplify the fraction by dividing by a common denominator.